Learn with Tech Tales. Hey there, tech fans! Welcome to my channel. Are you tired of not being able to save your favorite Facebook videos? Well, don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download Facebook videos in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Open the Facebook app or website and find the Facebook video you want to download. Search for the video you want to save. Step 2. Copy the video link. Tap the three dots on the right side of the video and select Copy Link. Open a browser and go to a Facebook video downloader website. Such as fdon.net. Paste the link and click Download. New, something issue. Step 4. Choose the video quality and format you want. Then, click Download to save the video to your device. And that's it. You now have the Facebook video downloaded to your device. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.